Alright, welcome back everyone to another video of the coordinate geometry series, which is a series in which we are going to learn coordinate geometry in the syllabus of AS and A-level mathematics. So we already learned about line segments, we learned about parallel and perpendicular lines, we learned about the equation of a straight line, we learned about circles. So to check out all of those videos, you can head straight to my channel page and go to the coordinate geometry playlist, or check the description of this video where I will link those previous videos. And this video is the last in the series, well, not last, but the last topic of coordinate geometry subtopic, which is points of intersection and circle properties, which is arguably the hardest subtopic of coordinate geometry. So what we should remember is that the equation of a straight line is y equals mx plus c. So this is the equation of a straight line. All right, and now what we should also know is that when a line touches exactly, like when a line touches a curve, so when a line touches curve exactly once, that line is tangent. So when a line, so let me give you an example. Let's say we have this curve and we have this line. So this line touches the curve at exactly one point. So we say that this line is tangent to the curve. So the line is tangent to the curve. All right. But there's also another way of saying this. So if we would actually have the equations of these lines and we would solve the equations, like by equating and finding the points of intersection, so we would only get one answer because the curve and the line intersect at exactly one point. So one answer means one repeated root. And a mathematical way of saying it is basically the discriminant equals to 0. So if we would equate the two equations, we would end up with a quadratic equation. And the discriminant of that quadratic equation would be 0. So that's very, very important. And now we can solve some examples. So example 14. Example 14 says, find the set of values of k for which the line x equals y plus 2 intersects the curve y equals x squared plus 3x plus k at two distinct points. All right, how would we solve this question? So the key word or the key phrase that we're looking at is two distinct points. Two distinct points means that the discriminant is more than 0. All right, now let's equate. So we have equation number 1, which is x equals y plus 2. and equation number 2, which is y equals x squared plus 3x plus k. So let's turn this equation into the format, like let's rearrange this equation basically. We would get y equals x minus 2. All right? And now let's equate. Let's equate. So if we equate, we get x squared plus 3x plus k equals x minus 2. And now let's rearrange. So if we rearrange, we basically take x to the other side. So we would get plus 3x minus x plus k plus 2. All right, and now we simplify. So if we simplify, like basically we're combining like terms, we will get this. So this is actually a quadratic equation, like a trinomial. So we know that b squared minus 4ac should be more than 0. Okay, let's find b squared minus 4ac. So this is in the format ax squared plus bx plus c. And our a is 1, our b is 2, and our c is actually k plus 2 from this equation. All right, let's plug in values. So b squared would be 2 squared, and then minus 4, and a would be 1, and c would be k plus 2. And this is more than 0. So now we should solve this. So let's simplify. So we would have 4 minus 4k plus 2 is more than 0. So 4 minus 4k minus 8 is more than 0. Which actually means that minus 4k minus 4 is more than 0. And if we take 4 to the other side, we will have minus 4k is more than 4. And now let's divide by minus 4. And we would have k is more than minus 1. So, I forgot something. So when we divide by a negative number, we should actually flip the sign. So what we should do is flip the sign since division by negative. So k is less than negative 1. So that's our set of values for k. All right, so thanks for watching this quick tutorial. If you wish to see more practice questions from this topic, then you could go check out my practice questions playlist, and or you can check out the coordinate geometry playlist, and I'll probably have a video for practice questions for this topic. So thanks for watching.